Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination,
We'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Newts, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Newts,
bringing all their friends together.
Find out how things work with Darwin and you. One, two, three, go! Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Got it! Oh? Kia ora, Newts! What a fantastic marble run! Kia ora, Henny! I built it myself. The marble rolls all the way down. Clever, Newts! Would you like some of my homemade apple juice? Yes, please! Hey! Sorry, Newts. It was so delicious. I can make some more. Would you like some help? Yes, please. Great. Let's go. Woo! Nearly there. Where is there? Here. Apple trees. Look, Titero, try the small one. I make apple juice with these. A very sweet apple. The medium-sized ones are for making apple sauce. Oh, this one is a little sour. And these big ones are for making apple pie. Pie. But before I can make anything, I need to get all the apples down to the bottom of the hill. We can do that and then sort the apples into small, medium, and big. We can do that too. Thank you. I'll go and get everything else ready. We can fill this wheelbarrow up with apples and take them down the hill. Can we stop for a minute? I need to scratch my nose. And I need to stretch. Oh no! Come back!
Whoa! Wheelbarrow on the loose!
Yes. Kia ora, Wapiti. We know. Could you help us get it to the top of the hill, please, Wapiti?
Of course!
Catch! Oh, try again! One more! Yes! Newts, do you see how these apples move? They always come down. Yes, even when you throw them up. Interesting. Oh. careful! Don't hit a rock! We hit a rock! Come back, apples! I don't think they hurt us. There must be a better way. Did you see that? An apple fell from the tree. And another. It wasn't moving. Then it was. Like something was pulling on it. Let's science it! The falling apples went downwards. And when we threw the apples in the air, they started going up, but they changed to going down. And the apples from the wheelbarrow went down too, down the hill. It's like something is pulling them all down.
You're right, Darwin.
Whoa!
Something is pulling them all down. It's called gravity. Gravity pulls everything down to the ground, and it keeps people on the ground, like all of you.
Wow! And I remember that ice cream.
Gravity even pulls down on flying things, like birds. That's why they flap their wings, to stay up. And that's why your wheelbarrow rolled down the hill, because gravity pulled it down.
Kia! Thanks, Wapiti!
Bye for now.
Why don't we use gravity to get the apples down the hill? Didn't that happen before? And they all rolled off the edge. I'm on it. Aha! Presenting my latest invention. The Like a Marble Run, but bigger, giant apple run kit. Wow! I can't wait to see that, Newts. Now, I'll work out how to sort the apples into big, medium, and small. Can I have this, please? Sure thing, Darwin. Henny, over here! Haere mai! Ooh! Have a look at this. This is the end of the apple run. If I catch the apples, I can put them in the right box. Whoa, great idea! I've got a few apples. Let's try! Whoop! Kia, you can help me test this. No thanks. Ah! Too steep. Thanks for helping, Kia. I know! Holes! Holes? Different sized holes for different sized apples. Okay, the small apples will fall through the first hole, medium-sized apples will fall through the next hole, and big apples will keep going and fall through the last hole. Great! Oh, and here's Newts. Let's run some apples. 1, 2, 3, tahi, rua, toru, go! Oh no! What? I didn't put the boxes out. Run! Faster! Big, medium, small, no, small, medium, big. Yay! It's working! We did it! Miharo! Awesome! Wow! My apples are perfectly sorted and ready to cook. Thanks, Darwin and Newts. Oh, apple pie! To say thanks. Oh, and to finish it off, a cherry on top.
I don't see a cherry on top.
Here it is now.
Whoa! That